Looking for best built-in coffee machines to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, by Teka. One of the most popular in 2018. Our choice for this Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Number 2, by NoyoKere. For more info about these great Black Friday offers, click this link below. Number 3, by Huichang. One of the most wished for in 2018. A must-check on our Black Friday buying guide. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. We will automatically add these items to your cart for price alerts.